What is the order of operations, PEMDAS BODMAS, in math? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle where the pieces can fit together in different ways. Without a clear rule, you might put the pieces together differently every time. That's where the order of operations comes in. It's a set of rules that tells us the right way to solve math problems with multiple steps. These rules make sure everyone gets the same answer when solving the same expression. The most common ways to remember this order are the acronyms PEMDAS and BODMAS. They stand for the same steps but use different words. Starting from the top, the first step is to look inside parentheses or brackets. These symbols, like a or, tell us which parts to solve first. Think of them as the most important groupings in a problem. Once you finish with those, the next step is to evaluate any exponents or powers. For example, if you see 3 squared or 2 cubed, you do those calculations now. This step also includes roots, like square roots or cube roots. After handling parentheses and exponents, the next step is to take care of multiplication and division. These two operations are equally important and are done from left to right. For example, in the problem 8 divided by 2 times 4, you do the division first, then the multiplication. This order keeps everything consistent. The last steps are addition and subtraction, which are also treated equally. You perform these from left to right as well. So the order in simple terms is: first solve inside parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Both PEMDAS and BODMAS follow this same sequence, just with different names. Remember, multiplication and division share the same level of importance as do addition and subtraction. If both appear in a problem, do whichever comes first from left to right. For example, if you see 24 divided by 8 times 2, you divide first, getting 3, then multiply to get 6. This rule helps avoid confusion and make sure everyone gets the same answer. It's especially useful when working with more complex math, like algebra, where expressions can have many parts. Whenever you face a problem with multiple operations, follow these steps. Solve inside parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication or division from left to right, and finally addition or subtraction from left to right. This sequence shows how numbers and operations work together, giving clarity to what might seem complicated at first. It's the key to understanding how numbers relate and combine, making math easier and more organized.